Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your account status and permissions so offers go through. Once done, collect clear photos, exact condition notes, and any listing links. This prevents back and forth later. Make a quick decision on whether you want a straight trade, cash, or trade plus cash, and set your minimum acceptable terms now. This saves time during negotiation. Also, prepare any badges, reps, or feedback proof to build trust. You will use those when composing the actual offer. You now build the offer step by step. Start from the recipient's listing, click Make Offer, and attach the exact items or cash amount you propose. Be precise to avoid ambiguity. Then explain each item's condition and include shipping costs plus preferred carrier so there are no surprises. Make sure to state response windows and expected ship dates so both sides know deadlines. Finally, add any conditional terms, such as pending inspections, so the other party understands why you set those limits. You finish by carefully reviewing every term, items, cash, shipping, and timelines, then send the offer with a concise, polite note that invites a quick reply. Once accepted, confirm payment method, finalize shipping info, and upload tracking numbers to prove shipment. If something goes wrong, act quickly. Gather photos, message history, timestamps, and receipts. Present them in the platform's dispute flow. That evidence speeds resolution and protects your account. So save everything until the trade is fully closed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.